guys, I wanted to show you real quick what I received for Christmas. My son bought me this certain thing, and it's something that I always wanted, but have kind of been intimidated on it because it's kind of dangerous. But I'm excited that I received it, so I'm going to be doing a lot of research, and I wanted to show you today. There it is. It is an 8-in-1 heat press. My son got it from Amazon, so I'm not sure where he got it as far as the link or anything like that, but it is an 8-in-1 heat press. The name brand is Suncoo. It's Suncoo, and it does 8 different things. So I don't know if you can see them all, but it comes with a mug press and then all kinds of different sizes of attachments for mugs. And then it comes with a hat press, so it comes in 2 pieces. So, and it's got these long cords and this, and of course the actual heat press itself. So it comes with 2 heat pads here, more like a cushion, and then the heat pad, and then the control box, and these 2 handles, and these are the only things you really want to touch on this because this gets really hot. Even after you turn it off and unplug it and everything, it is still hot afterwards. So please be careful. So for today's project, I'm going to do HTV on wood. This wood is already stained with wood stain. I like the blue kind of stain. It's neat. And this wood is about 11.5 by 5 inches. Of course, when you print your HTV, don't forget to mirror it. So I'm going to click on Make It, and then I'm going to click on Mirror, and then my HTV is a certain way that I need to use this area. You'll see later. And then click Continue. Okay, so after that, I am setting my base material, which is heat transfer, but it's not Cricut. It's actually somewhere, I got it somewhere off at Amazon. And it always gives you a warning, make sure it's mirrored. It is mirrored. And to check it, there we go. And then I'm going to go push my Cricut button. You want to make sure that you have the shiny side down. My mat is not sticky anymore. I just need to fix that, but I haven't done that yet. But my shiny side is down, and I'm going to hit the Cricut button. So if you excuse my angle, my holder that I use for my cell phone is actually in the wood shop, and it is 26 degrees out, and it feels like 16. So I think I'm going to stay in the house for today and just I'm having trouble getting this started and just show you what I'm doing from here. I'm actually weeding this real quick. You don't have to be quick, but looks like I'm confident, right? Huh? This is pretty good HTV. I don't even know what it's called. I'll have to find out. I think I know, but I need to find out. But anyway. Okay, so I have my wood already on my heat press there. And then I'm going to swing this here. I've already checked my height. If you needed to make your height bigger or raise it up, you would use this. You just turn it left or right depending on how much height you need. And to test it, you would see, how much. You don't need to press it down all the way. Like, you don't need to lock it, just to, just to give you an idea. So I'm going to turn it on. There's a button here, and it's kind of loud. And I already have my temperature set. I'm sorry, my time set. It's heating up right now. And I'm going to, it's already set, like I said, it's going to go up to 320. And it'll take about 8 to 10 minutes. So I will be back in a second. Now, right before it heats up to the temperature that you set it to, it will make a clicking sound. I don't know if you heard that, but it was a clicking sound. And it's 305 is what I set it to. So now it is ready. I'm going to swing this away very carefully. I'm actually going to raise it a little bit. Just a little bit. And it's pretty hot. So I'm going to put I'm going to just eyeball it right now. I'm not really worried about getting it straight. It looks pretty good, actually. And then I'm going to put my feather there as best as I can. And it looks pretty good. I'm going to carefully put my Teflon sheet on it. Very carefully. And then I'm going to swing this here very carefully. You have to be careful. This thing is so hot, and I cannot imagine. Well, I can imagine what can happen, but it's dangerous. Alright, let's see. Push the down arrow and then push it down. And you don't have to lock it or anything. It's going to automatically turn off. And then you'll hear a beep. You pull it up and then push down. Now it's really hot. I'm going to swing this away. Now I'm going to just look at it. I'm not going to take it, everything off. I just want to see if 10 seconds was enough. And see, it's not. So I'm going to put it on more for another 10 seconds. So I'm going to put the Teflon sheet back on. I'm going to swing this back. I'm going to push the down arrow. And then once I push the down arrow, I'm going to press down. And it beeps. Okay, so it's done, and I'm going to swing this back. I'm actually going to take this off, put it over there, and remove my project over here. I'm going to swing this back, and I'm going to turn it off, and then I will unplug it. So we're going to peel off the carrier sheet. The carrier sheet is the plastic. I've let it cool down a little bit. So we're going to peel this off. Now if I start peeling it off and it starts to come up, all you would need to do is, do it for another 10 seconds or whatever. So I'm going to pull this off gently. Of course, I'm doing this with one hand, so hopefully it's going to work. And there we go. We have a sign that says Williamsburg. Isn't that nice? And you can see it's on there. Well, you probably can't see, but it's really nice. I like it. It is hot still, so but I really like this machine. Like I said, it's very dangerous. Be careful. Do lots of research. And just find stuff that you can make and keep on going. Well, thank you for watching.